Yeah, je. Kwani na hope siku yako ilikuwa poa. Yangu ilikuwa nice. Kwani niulize hata nikiokota mkate. Mimi hii ni ya kuokota anyway. Kwanza na mabika. Hiyo bado yake na kwa jati tondo diko isi sile la kioro. Siku hizi silipangi choo. Lakini nakula. Another issue ni chani seme. Kitui hapa nilipatiwa mafuta. Nasema facial essence. It's a beauty. Oh. Sabe. Sasa kuna sosa? Yana kira lagi tu ke?
Nyata.
Well, I'm back. Turudi sasa pa. Jana niliwaambia mchana inaitwa Muthenya na Gikuyu. Sasa nina Kiingereza. Muthenya wetagwo day type. Na Githweri mchana. Na Gikuyu muthenya. Usiku night. Na Githũngũ. Na Githweri usiku. Na Gikuyu utuko. Haya. Duma na Githweri etagwo giza. Na Githũngũ darkness. Hena kindu kingi turarete na mianga na Githũngũ etagwo cassava. Na Gĩkwa gĩtagwo yam. No rĩu niĩ ngũmũria atĩrĩrĩ, inyuĩ mũthomete mũno kũngĩta. Yam na Gĩkwa na Gĩkũyũ, Gĩkwa na Gĩthweri gĩtagwo atĩa? Ndĩrenda ũnyandĩkĩre hau kĩanda hau ha comment. Okorwo nĩ hegũkorwo hena chance ũnjĩre. Haya. Mũrata mwega nĩ ũrĩkũ? Mũrata mwega nĩ ũrĩa mũrĩranagĩra nake hingo ya mathĩna. A friend in need and friend indeed. ndina thina no thina ucio ni uguka kwirehe tondu nini ndamwirire ndokire thina wakwa wari ucio umwe tu no mathina macio mangi ni mao okay awathi hado ni Jesu na Maria riu ri na twathie kuri aria thomi aria makiui riu sasa wenye wanafahamu vizuri dini ya Kikristo. Yesu alikufa akafufuka akapaa juu mbinguni, sasa wanasubiri kurudi kwake Kristo. Hapo tuelewane. But there is certain kwina kaundu karathi na mbere when it comes to cover sin. So they are using that part of Mary and Jesus, the Jesu na Maria. But that occurs when it comes to sin. Wakati kuna dhambi inatakikana ifunikwe, sasa hapo ndio panakujia Yesu na Maria. Sasa that's only the fool can get mixed up. Na ndio nakwambia ndio manake tuko na wasomi ambao wamekamilika hata kwa kidini katika Uislamu na Kikristo. Sasa what is behind it? Hakuna venye ati unaweza ng'ang'ana kutenda wema, unafanya vizuri ati nyuma yako, but behind you it is evil. Ni mabaya ndio yanakuandama. Ati this kind of people, they are there to make sure that there is no hope. No matter what you do, hata ufanyaje, ate onaweka atia, ate no watuhu, tugukorwo rutete wira watuhu. Ogwo turathi na mbere ri, o mundu agikuraga ri, gutire mundu wendete kana gutire mwana wendete gukura u, kana ungienda gukura u, kana kurerwo u. O mwana wothe ona kiroto-ini giake arotaga akirerwo wega kana agikura wega. Akoma okira agakora karia hau gacamu akanyua ri, arikia kunyua akiri ciake cihuraga iguthaka, agathia agathaka na ciana iria ingĩ. No hau gacagaca-inĩ ka guthaka ri, daimono ikaingĩrĩra ho, ukaigua mwana nyingĩ nĩ aringwo kana nĩ acemania na mũtino o ithako-inĩ. Aya agathia akera nyina, no nyina hingo ciothe, kila mama hujua tatizo na anajua kinacho, na hiyo mchezo anamwambia ndukana soke ndikwenda ithako riu, tugacoke guthie gutha, no nang'ania naona fulani na fulani na fulani na fulani, usiwahi nda kucheza, sitaki hata mcheze, sitaki mchezo yenu na yeye, na nisiwahi kuona pamoja na yeye. Aya, mtoto mzuri mwana mwega ni athikagiriria na akaigua nyina nawe ka no riu hena mwana uyu higo ciothe ndaiguaga ataraigua ona aria tuiguaga ni osugu ni maiguite wamesikia na wameacha crying. Na by the way, no tuike maundu mothe no hakinya ni muoyo. O mundu amenyerere muoyo wake. Kila mtu na uhai wake. Kifika ni uhai, chunga uhai wako. Hakuna cha kurisikia mtu life yake. Kama wewe unaonekana ni kama okay, uko na shida fulani, ndio utakuja kupatia advice. But apart from your parents, which advice are you looking? Apart from your parents, teacher, counselor, because they are there. But which kind of advice are you looking from gangs? Which advice are you looking from bad company? Some I asked, do you know how to use a phone? Or you are just excited because you got big phones? So I do run away from to inform my villagers or my city we got company, but to whom that I'm going to report to, they told me they are the one who created those companies. And I asked what the type of company do you have? Because when it comes to business, unless not your client, who are the rest? All employee or employer or a manager. And even the business have got its own language. Apart from the business language, what are you looking from a thief? Which kind of, if you are a business person, which advice are you looking from a thief? And it's not your business partner. So I've got extra problem, and there is no way Jesus here on earth, he carried his own burden. So far that no one could tell Jesus, please leave your burdens and help me to carry my own burden. Ati haiwezekani ati Yesu kwanza aache msalaba. Awache msalaba ati akusaidie kubeba msalaba. He himself said so. Carry your own cross. And because of time, when I kill you, nobody, hakuna mwenye akona swali. Hata wamekimbia wote. Tupatane wakati mwingine ili tutakapopata wakati. Thank you so much.